Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to accept a friend request in Apex Legends. All right. Now, you can't accept here whenever you are in game. You can't accept a friend request. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and go to the lobby. All right. Now, once the lobby loads, you're going to want to go ahead and find this icon, which is a friends icon. All right. Just click on it. Now, as you can see here, I have a ton of friends right here. But just to explain to you, whenever you are on a platform, for example, you have a friend on Steam. All right. So basically, all of your friends on Steam will be in here. As you can see, these guys, I don't even know that they are playing Apex Legends as well. But as to my knowledge, these guys right here do not play this game. And as you can see, you'll be able to find their gamer tag or username right here, and we'll be able to just send them an invite by just clicking on their profile. Now, going back to the topic, to accept a friend request, make sure that the friend request right here is set to display, not deny. All right. If it is set to display, you'll be able to see the people who added you right here in the list. All right. Just in this particular list, gonna want to move. All right here at the very last page. All right, you'll be able to see the friend request from here. And if you do have a friend request, just click on it and hit on accept. By then, you'll be able to invite them to play with you. All right, whether they are using Xbox, PC, or even PlayStation 4 and 5. That's basically how you accept friend requests on this game. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.